That was a fun and interesting morning. I was over there at Wasoda Tool and Die. I needed for Kevin, what was it? Lord of Bass ordered TI frames, and I ordered a bunch from them. And of course, you assume that they're going to have the same bolt hole pattern as they have for ever since they started making them. Nope. The new ones, I think it's 160. Or even I think 155, and then also 135, which is really weird. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I didn't have time to modify the frames, and so with plus I needed an adapter. This guy Kevin ordered 218s, and he's going on what is it? It's RE Audio XXX or something like that, and so he needs the 127 pattern. And so I went down there and had them made this morning. So I made these. They showed me how, step by step. So usually it would take all day, and we ended up doing them in 3 hours, and I learned a lot. I got to use the mill. He wouldn't let me touch the lathe, which is probably smart. And then of course I did a lot of the helper work where you just use the bandsaw and cut off like excess and things like that, cut it into large pieces. But he showed me how to get it square. He showed me how to get all the pieces. You go through the tool on the mill and the program. Of course, he went really, really fast, and I tried to keep up, but I definitely want to go back and learn some more. What was it? That job that you saw me on the promo where I'm like, robots will take over the world. That's actually a job right there. It's like pencil sharpening. And we need somebody, or they need somebody. It's starting at $15 an hour. You just sit there and do that all day. It's fucking easy. Put on some headphones, listen to some podcast, and go for it. So I'm actually going to have the wife go down there and do that for a little bit. But I got to go home right now. We got the meeting, and I got a client coming out. He drove all the way out here to learn from me and do some speaker building. So it's going to be interesting. Yeah. I don't know, more to come. I love you guys. Talk to you later.